Here we are at the Ocean Grove, September 7th. Fireworks from the Ocean Grove Pier. Whee! And that party. A reflection on the water.
Where do I get the boat?
And here comes the boat. And there's close up of the boat.
Can you get it?
A little bit. We'll get him when he gets closer. More to fireworks. Woo! Wee! Ah! Watch your water reflection. Ah, pretty on the water. Ah, that was pretty. Ah, hear the commentary. Oh. Yeah. Yep.
That boat is moving.
There's the boat. There goes the boat. Party boat. He's moving through the water at lightning speed. There he is. Can't see what boat it is, but there it is. Back to the fireworks. Woo-wee. Oh. Ah. And that party. There's our flag. And our flag was still there. In that party. Our good old American flag. 4 days before September 11th. God bless America. Land that I love. There's Don, but you can't see him. And there's our flag. Back to the fireworks. Ooh. And this is the night they burned the mortgage on the pier for the Ocean Grove Pier. Now the fishing club owns the pier. The mortgage is paid off, and this is part of the celebration. Neptune Day. Whoa! Whoa! Neato! Serpentine, neato! Woo! That's pretty neat. Looks like a snake. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And fireworks keep coming. And more. The beat goes on. This would be a long video. And we break to our flag, and our flag is still there. Ocean Grove, September 7th, 2007, on the pier. On the pier. Isn't that pretty? Ooh! Whee! Ah. And our flag is still there.
Come on, let's hear it.
Woo!
Ah!
Oh! Haha! I think this could be the grand finale here. This could be it.